Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video. The last month of the year has already started and we have some new apps to share with you guys that I think are pretty cool and some of them very useful, so you must try them out on your device. The first app for the video is called App Lock. This app allows you to easily lock any of your apps with your Face ID or a passcode, and it's very simple to use. All you have to do is just launch App Lock, and first of all you need to set it up. Head on to your settings and enable the PIN code right there. Enter the PIN code, the passcode that you want to use, and then also you can enable, as you can see right there, your Face ID. Once you have that set up, now you're good to go. You go right here and you can just lock any of the apps. So you will see all kinds of different categories right here. If I just want to lock all my social apps, I can just select it right there. All of them will be locked. Or of course, I can choose any app I want to lock individually. So if I tap under utilities right here, I have App Store. I can choose to lock App Store and Calculator. Now, once I have chosen the apps that I want to lock, I can just tap the Start button, get out of here, and you can see now the App Store and the Calculator are locked. If I want to open the App Store, it will deny the access and I will have to tap unlock here, and now I can use my passcode or my Face ID to actually unlock that app. So once I have done this, now I have the app unlocked. I tap on the button right there at the top left corner, and now I'm into the app. The app has been unlocked. Now, when you want to stop locking your apps, all you have to do is just tap the stop button. And if you go to advanced here, we'll have some advanced features as well. Like you can deny app installation or app removal right here. Just enable those. You can block Safari. You can deny autofill data on Safari and things like lock the eSIM right there, deny adding friends, deny right here multiplayer games for Game Center, of course. You can block Siri as well and all kinds of things. And if you purchase the Pro version of this app, then you will also get the Pro versions for the other apps as well, right here, screen time control and the QR code scanner. The next app for the video is a wallpaper app called LimWalls. Now this is different from other wallpaper apps that you might have on your device. It offers a few different wallpapers which you can see and slide through them right here. But what's really cool is that you can customize each of these wallpapers. Like you can see, we have this wallpaper here, which is basically red and black here, but you can see we have the colors and we can actually customize this on any way we like. So we can change those colors and create any other wallpaper that we want. So right there you can see we can move to a different color. As easy as that. You can see I can create a totally new wallpaper. Of course, once I'm done, save it to the camera roll, and then we can use it as a wallpaper for the home screen or lock screen. So again, any of the wallpapers that you see here, each of them has their own set of colors and you can customize any of them individually. Next up is an app called iStory. Now this is a really interesting app. All the photos that you have on your camera roll will be scanned by this app. You can see right here what it shows. It shows all the devices that you have used to take pictures on your device. Like you can see here, I have from the iPhone 6 up to the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. So you will have the list here of all of your devices, and it shows here how many pictures you have on each of those, and of course the year when you did take that picture. Then lower here we'll see some stats right there. You can see you have 5 devices in this case, first photo in 2017, and then the latest photo as well, photos per device, and then now right here the year usage, how many years you have used each device. So you can see right here a list of devices and how long you have used each of them. The next app for the video is called ControlBar. Now this is a really interesting app that utilizes the live activities and your island on the home screen to actually control your music. And you will see how cool this app is. It works with Spotify and Apple Music. And you can see right here, if I just go to the app, I will have my controls here and I can tap the edit button where I can add or remove different controls, which is really cool. And then right here you can customize it. Of course, you can customize the shape of the buttons right there. Of course, you can add a different tint for the buttons and also a different one for the background. Now, once you have your music playing, you can start the live activity as easy as that. You can see now we have the live activity there, where I can of course just invoke it, and from here I can press volume up, volume down. You can see it works. And of course, I will have the other buttons as well. For Spotify here, I can tap the plus button to add that song to my favorites. You can see how cool that is and how good it really works. And you will also have these buttons right on your lock screen, so you can see we have the default player, but then we also have these other buttons that we can use right here. In this case, I have shuffle, I have skip forwards and backwards, and of course the volume controls as well. The next app for the video is called Moloko. Now this app allows you to install themes on your iPhone. And what's really cool is that it does that on a very easy way by simply installing a profile on your device, and it downloads completely the whole theme on your iPhone. So you don't actually need to create each icon one by one. So you will have the trending themes right there at the top, and then you will have the new ones right here. You can see the classic iOS 6.1, which is really awesome. And then we'll have all the other themes right there. So if you want to install a theme on your device, all you have to do is just tap on it. You can see right here we have the system icons, and then we have the third-party icons. Now, of course, these are separated, so you have to install individually the system ones and the third-party ones as well. So if I tap here, all I have to do is tap allow, and this will download the profile to my device. Now we need to head on to the settings app. So there you will have the profile on your settings app, and once you tap install and add your passcode, you can see right here the profile will be installed, and then you will have the theme right on your home screen. And you can see how cool that looks, and of course it works. So if I want to open the App Store, it does work. Of course, it opens the App Store. This is how easy you can install any of these themes on your device. And of course, if you just want to remove it, all you have to do is head onto your settings, general, profiles, and remove the profile you have installed. Wallpapers X LockScreen is the next app for the video. This is a pretty awesome wallpaper app that you can get for your device. And you will see right here we have some of the latest wallpapers that have been added. And then right here we'll see all the different collections, like you have the animals right there, which are pretty cool. Then you will have the holiday ones, video games. You will have all kinds of like different wallpaper categories right here that you can get for your device. Of course, if you just like any of the categories, you can always browse them right here. Simply tap on see all, and you will see all those cool wallpapers like this one right here. You can see how cool that is. And what you can do here is, of course, switch between wallpapers by simply tapping here. Once you find one that you actually like, you can simply download it to your device by tapping this button, and you're good to go. Now this one right here is called XAgo, and it's a really interesting app. Now what you can do here is add something that you have done, something like maybe that you do daily, like going to the gym. If I have gone to the gym 10 hours before, I can keep track here of how frequently I'm going to the gym. So if I don't go today, the next day it will be a day and 10 hours. Now, once I do go to the gym, all I have to do is just open the app and just tap that refresh button right there, which of course will say just now. So it indicates that I've done it again. So it's really, really awesome. Now you can add these basically habits or whatever you want to call them. You can add them from tapping the plus button, of course, enter the name right there, choose a color, choose an icon, and choose the tracking date. So the last time you have done it, you just choose it right here, and of course tap the save button. Amount Wordify is the next one for the video. Now this is also a really interesting app. Now, sometimes when you're filling out maybe a form or something like that, you will need to enter an amount, but you need to enter it not in numbers, but in words. So you don't want to have to write like a long number, for example. All you have to do is just go to this app, and I can just type here whatever I want, and it will show the words right there. Of course, I can save this if I want to and add it to my favorites. Of course, I can have it written out just like that, or just copy it if I just want to use it anywhere I want. So copy it and paste it on any other text I need. The next app for the video is called LiveUp. Now with LiveUp, you will be able to create a few different live activities for your device. So you tap the plus button here, you can enter a note, which you can have then on your lock screen, a reminder, for example, or track maybe a flight or a train, or maybe add a movie, a parcel pickup code, or a meal pickup code, and have it right on your lock screen. So if I just have maybe a note like this one right here, I can just enable it to activate it and set on save, and now I can have it right on the lock screen. So as easy as that, you can have any of those different live activities created for your lock screen. And last but not least is an app called Moon. it allows you to track the moon, of course. And you can see the current moon right here. Now, if you swipe here, you can see the new moon and the full moon in 10 days and 24 days in this case. But what's really cool is that you can actually see the moon on different dates. So if I just move to November 2nd here, it will show how the moon was on that date, which is really awesome. Or I can even move here years before, so tap the dump button and you can see how the moon was on that particular date, and it shows the date right there. Now you can also have the home screen widgets, one that shows you the new moon here and the one that shows you the current moon. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, and of course don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one.